Do we notice this little design I have over here? This thing over here. In Hebrew, they would call it tav, right? See this? I know I should get better color in here. Get some color in here. See this over here? Right? This and this are the same. These are exactly the same. This and this are the same. That's the only difference. I was speaking to you in a video before how I take this and I have so this is the way it works. Here's your N. Now this one goes up. When this one goes up, now it becomes even. You see, it can't go up. Now it goes up, now it goes down. It's even. Take the flow. The flow. You see what happens? There it is. This is the way time works. Did you understand that? Look what I'm working with. Help, I need a partner. No, I want a partner. I mean, I don't want a partner. I'm just saying this is the way I think it. Not everything can be done alone. Now, if I would have taped this in there, maybe, but you got the concept of this, right? Of how the flow went. And this flow that I have over here, you know what the placement of the numbers on the calculator are on the phone face? Well, what happens with this flow, okay, with these three pieces over here? Now, what happens with this N letter, okay? What happens with this N letter is now, okay, we can move from number 1 over here through number 5 over here and into number 6. If this was pointed, if this was pointed into number 3, and this was pointed, well, I don't know, in the camera it's coming out different over there, right? If this is pointed, to me, it shows 1 area and 6 area, right? Now, if I had the third element, okay, but let's now work only with the N letter, okay? I want to work with the N letter. If I was the N letter, I would have to work like this. I would have to work like this. I would have to work like, hold on a second. Oh, this is really, really bothering me. If this was the N letter, I'd have to be working like this. Okay, now where would all my pieces be? Would I be using up 9 squares, or will I use only 4 squares? Okay, if I use only 4 squares, okay, I can use 4 squares, but it creates a passing. The minute you have a passing, it's an automatic creation of the in-between. So when you have 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, if it's touching, okay, it's 1.5, then 2, 2.5, then 3, it's 6 half spaces in order to get there, 4 half spaces. So what I want to do here is, when I tilt this, okay, over towards the 1 area, and this piece in the center goes up to the 2 area, this piece over here, for the rest of my N, will go into the 6 area. You see the way it shows North Star? Like this? It's showing me the only way through it. Through 1 is down into 5, up into 2, and over to 6. So I'm going to make you that design right now. I'm going to make the design right here. And let me design this. Okay. And here it is. Here's the design right over here. That's your Z. When you do it the other way, we're going to do it the other way. Now, I guess I should have did this in the first place. When we do this the other way, on this tic-tac-toe, we get the N. Okay, we get the N. How do we get the N? We get the N. We want it to go this way, right? So now we get the N doing this. Well, actually, if you want, we're going to take the N and we're going to do this with the N. And over here, you end up with numbers 5, 2, 6, 3. Earth creation. Okay, you see the way we come out of here? We cross through over here. That's an 8 to 1 marking. The birth of 9. This is an 8 to 1 marking, and the position over here is between 2 and 6, so that position is number 4. Shows exactly half. So because this center position is 5, the in-between area is 4. 3 point and 4, then 5 area. Now, if you're talking the center is multi-level. I don't want to talk multi-level. Where all of these areas are the same sizes, but because this is so far down the tunnel, you see it as smaller. Here you're in front of the tunnel, so it's bigger. Smaller the tunnel, the further you look down the tunnel, the lower you have to put your head until you can no longer see the other side, because your eyes are now have this vision. So this is this end. Now, if you want to do it the other way, this way, straight up, and over here, you end up with 1, 5, 2, and 6. 1, 5, 2, and 6. Memory inside 6, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It took 1 into 1 because both of these have a 1 inside. This one, all have a number 1 inside. This is the opposition of the 1. 6 is the opposite of the 1. So if the 6 is the opposite of 1, they're actually saying this straight line from 1 to 6. Let me do this again. This is the 6 area. This is the 1 area. I have to take the center of this area over to that area over there in the center. It almost looks like it's going away. Oh my God, look at that angle. Seems like it's going away, right? It's going away from you. Maybe there'll be trees in the background over here. Maybe it's a track, and it's starting at 6, and it's going all the way to 1. So there's very many things. And look, it's above the ground. See the way this side looks like it's on the ground? It looks like there's a heel here. Anyways, we're not going to get into that. You ever see the Volkswagen Beetle? You ever see the Volkswagen Beetle? Volkswagen Beetle is actually, do I remember this design? No, I don't. Okay, forget about it. Let it go. Thank you for watching.